Namaste all of you. Hi students, how are you? I think all of you are fine at home. Today we are going to learn about a new concept, and this new concept you can observe in your everyday life. For suppose you went to the market and you purchased 1 kilogram of sugar for 80 rupees and you sold that 1 kilogram of sugar to another person for 100 rupees. It's very clear, we can observe two figures here, one is 80 and one more is 100, 80 and 100. So it's very clear some difference is there in between 80 and 100. So how to find the difference? It's very easy. Subtract smallest number from biggest number, then you will get difference. So what is the difference here? 100 minus 80, that is 20. Okay, that means you gained 20 rupees on that 1 kilogram of sugar. Okay, that means what? Gain is nothing but profit. That means you got a profit of 20 rupees on the 1 kilogram of sugar. Okay, now let us take one more example. Suppose you went to the market and you purchased 1 kilogram of brinjal for 40 rupees and you sold that 1 kilogram of brinjals for 30 rupees to another person. Here also we can find two figures, 30 and 40. To find the difference, 40 minus 30, you will get 10 rupees. So here the 10 rupees you are losing here, that means you lost money. Okay. So you are losing here 10 rupees means this is nothing but loss. This is nothing but loss. How much you lost? 10 rupees you lost. In the previous example, how much you gained or how much profit you got? There 20 rupees. Now how much money you lost here in this example? 10 rupees. Now I think you observe the two terms profit and loss. That means what you have to understand now? That means we are going to learn about the concept of profit and loss. Okay. Before going into this topic profit and loss, first we have to understand what is profit and what is loss. Okay. What is profit? If you gain some money in a business transaction is called profit. See, simple words we are using here to understand these two terms, profit and loss. What is profit? If you gain some money in a business transaction is called profit. And like that, what is loss? If you lost some money in a business transaction is called loss. What is loss? If you lost some money in a business transaction is called loss. Okay. Students, just observe one thing here. If you want to find either profit or loss, we need two terms. What are the terms? Cost price and selling price. Without these two terms, you cannot find either profit or loss. Now, let us know about the formula of profit and loss. See here, first one, profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Depending upon this profit formula, we can frame two more formulas. What are those? Second one, cost price here is equals to selling price minus profit. Cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. Now third one, selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. Next step, fourth formula, this is about loss. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Depending upon this formula of loss, we can frame two more formulae. That is fifth one, cost price is equals to selling price plus loss. Cost price is equals to selling price plus loss. Next, sixth one, selling price is equals to cost price minus loss. Selling price is equals to cost price minus loss. Okay.